My name is Charles Graham, and I'm the president of Eastern Michigan University's Moot Court team. Moot Court is an extracurricular activity that gives students the opportunity to enhance their public speaking skills and engage in a highly competitive oral argument competition. Essentially, we receive a case, a fake Supreme Court case, at the beginning of the year. And we receive several Supreme Court cases that have happened in real life that we can use in order to create an oral argument in support of either the government or a certain individual. Moot Court has given me the opportunity to succeed and gain networking opportunities that I never would have imagined prior to entering Eastern Michigan University. Last year, me and one of my best friends had the opportunity and privilege to win the national championship and beat students from some of the top universities in the country. With the advising that comes from Professor Dr. Pyle at the university, each student that participates is given the opportunity to succeed just like I succeeded last year. Each student is given the chance to compete for a national championship year in and year out and beat students from some of those top universities in the country like Yale, U of M, Duke, University of Chicago. Eastern Michigan competes on that level and exceeds on that level. And so if you are at all interested in public speaking or just being thrown in a highly competitive situation, Moot Court is the extracurricular activity for you.
Mock trial is a competition that's based off trial courts. Every season at the beginning of the year, we get a case. We work together as a team to go through this case, pick out important facts, and use these facts to build a strong case that we can argue either side of. Now, in mock trial, you could be an attorney, where you do things like learn to cross-examine witnesses from other teams, learn to make and argue objections, and you can be a witness, where you use some acting skills to create a funny, interesting, or credible character that can tell our side of the case to the judges we're being scored by. And once we get these roles and our case together, we travel to tournaments, where we argue our side of the case against schools from all over the country while being scored by judges. Overall, mock trial is a really great program. It has so many benefits. I can easily say that joining this program has been the best decision I've made at Eastern.
There are many different benefits that you can gain from mock trial, and you don't have to be interested in law to participate. Some of our best mockers are students that never even pursued or thought anything about the law field. The benefits you can gain from participating in mock trial, besides it looking good on your resume if you decide to, go on to law school or any sort of higher education, can include critical thinking, because we get this case and we have to build arguments for both sides. We have to think about what the other team that we're going against is going to present in their argument. So critical thinking is one of the number one skills that you gain from participating in a mock trial, as well as skills like thinking quickly on your feet, team building skills, orator skills from presenting the case, or even if you're a witness, presenting your part and getting out the facts that you need for your side.
Hi, my name is John. I am going into my junior year at Eastern Michigan University. I am a political science major and a minor in business. Last year I joined mock trial. I wanted to expand my horizons. I wanted to learn new things. I wanted to, meet new people and just get an overall better experience, which I've gotten. I think my favorite memory from last year was definitely the first tournament that we went to at Michigan State. I was not very good at the beginning, and I learned a lot just sitting and watching. I didn't even compete. And by the end of the year, I was very good at what I was doing, and I learned a lot just by learning and listening. If I could get any advice to any new people, it would be to be a part of this, to just learn, to just try your best and be there at every meeting and try to rise your way up and get better knowledge and better skills throughout your time with mock trial. Thank you.
My favorite memory from mock trial isn't something super specific, but It's just traveling with everyone and getting to know everyone while we travel. That part of the season is always something I look forward to, and is the best part of the season, in my opinion. I joined a mock trial in order to meet more people on campus. I also joined mock trial in order to help improve my public speaking skills. Mock trial has really helped in both of those areas of my life, in my opinion. Advice that I'd have for someone joining the team is that just practice makes perfect. Practicing rules of evidence and case law and learning those early in the year really makes the rest of the season very easy. So I would just say practice a lot and have fun with it.
My name is Jack Swartzinski. I'm a fourth-year member of the Eastern Michigan University mock trial team. I just encourage anyone who is interested in joining mock trial to do it, especially if you're interested in law, if you like theater, because there's a lot of character witnesses and acting involved, to definitely do it. Mock trial changed my college experience in incredible ways, in very meaningful ways. It put me on a track towards law school, and it's a great tool for discerning if you want to go to law school at all. But it's also going to teach you incredible skills of just through teamwork, through some legal writing if you do Moot Court, and also just presentation skills. It does an incredible job, and we have some awesome coaches and some awesome people on the team. So please consider joining.
Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join Eastern Michigan's mock trial team or get more information, please email us at mockmootemu@gmail.com.